Hi foodies, this is Pradeep Mamgai and welcome back to Sijlicious. Today I'm going to show how to make Rish Gourd milk curry. Rish Gourd curry is loved by some and hated by many, especially by children because of its neutral taste. However, the neutral taste of Rish Gourd absorbs all other flavors wonderfully and makes the dish yummy. A little bit of milk adds a mellow sweetness to the recipe. Rish Gourd, medically referred to as Loofah acutangula, is also known as Tori, Turai, Birkaya, Gilki and Birakai in several languages in India. It is extremely rich in dietary fiber and enriched with other nutrients that include vitamin C, zinc, iron and traces of other minerals. It also aids in weight loss because it's low in saturated fat, cholesterol and calories. So without any further ado, let's start with today's recipe. If you like this recipe, subscribe to the channel and do not forget to tap the bell icon so that every time a new video goes up, you will be the first to get the notification about a new recipe. Do try this recipe and share your experience in the comments area below. If you liked today's recipe, please click the like icon at the bottom of the video, click on the share icon and share this recipe with family and friends on WhatsApp, Messenger or Facebook. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. That was all for today. See you soon with a new recipe. Take care of yourself, stay healthy, eat healthy and keep cleanliness around you.